What's up, YouTube? As you know already, spring is here and we're all ready to get our green thumbs back in the ground. So I'm visiting this greenhouse in my neighborhood in Winnipeg. It's called the Lacoste greenhouse, as you can see. So we'll be exploring the soil improvement section, the seed section, the nursery section, as well as the decoration sections. Um, just go along with the video and while we'll discuss this. Firstly, you can see we have the seed sections, different kinds of seeds, the Mackenzie and all that. So there's several options you can have from this greenhouse. Personally, I prefer to get my seeds early around spring. Then they're a lot cheaper. Not just cheaper, you can also start planting indoors for the seeds that you need to start indoor. For example, my tomatoes, the pepper, I just start them indoors and take control of all the variables that I need to have the best seeds or fruits at the end of the growing season. I also bought some seed starting trays, which they were helpful also. This part is the nursery section. There's so many flowers you could also get, maybe for gifts or other reasons that you might want to pick them. Owning a greenhouse could look so easy and beautiful from outside, but trust me, there are a lot of variables you need to control to keep this nurseries alive and in the best quality. There are also some potting mixes you could also buy if you want to have your seedlings or in the container. You might decide to buy some of them. Also, you might also decide to purchase some bases, some pots for your plants around. For those of you just starting and you don't know how to mix your seeds, you might also decide to purchase some seed starting mixes that you could use to start your seeds and give them the best result. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create your own potting mix. So you should be on the lookout for that. It's going to really save you a lot of money as you don't really have to buy already made or pre-bagged um, potting mixes that are already worth about $12 or more. You can actually make yours for as low as $4 and save some money. If you're in a hurry like me, you can pick up a seed starting mix and start growing your seeds inside before summer. During my visit, I came across a lot of plants that I've never seen, and trust me, it's a sure visit because I had to see some other plants that I really want to have in my garden or perhaps somewhere around the house. And I will really like to come back to pick one or two nurseries or seedlings or flowers. You don't just want to bury seedlings or plant seeds, but you also want to improve the quality or the beauty or aesthetics around the seedlings too. So in this part, you can pick up other items like vases and decoratives to improve the aesthetics of the garden. At this point, you can get all you need to improve the quality of your soil. You have the organic fertilizers and even the pesticides. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to start your seeds indoors and also how to make your own potting mix. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.